Hello everybody, welcome to Something Unique 17. Today I'm just going for a walk. I hope y'all are doing good today. This is my first official long video that's me over a minute long. I'm a new YouTuber influencer. You can follow me on below. It says something at Something Unique 17. So I'm showing you how beautiful this weather is today on March 24th. Look at that sunshine. Wow. It's amazing. So how's your day, everybody? Behind me there's a forest, which is pretty awesome, which I love it. And here, it's going to be spring in Illinois soon. Oh, it's officially spring, but the weather is very unpredictable in the Midwest. Wow, these are amazing flowers. If you enjoy my content, please like, comment, subscribe, and share it. Because the goal is to make amazing content and for y'all, the audience, to enjoy it. Look at this work of art. Phenomenal. Alright everybody, I'm going to show you one last place and it'll be the end. If you watch the video, tell me what's your favorite part of the video. Alright everybody, please like, comment, subscribe, share, and we'll keep up on the next video. Thank you and have a good day.